Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. We have the Glamour Jewelry Box May collection for you today. Can't wait to dig in and see this collection. I am Laura. If you're new to my channel, the white puppy dog is Wyatt and Zena is the brown puppy dog. This is her normal place to be when we're ready to kick off a video, looking totally uninterested when I know she really is. I hope you stick around, hit that subscribe button. We do try to bring you a fun video each and every day. Right, Z? All right. So Glamour Jewelry Box, if you're not familiar with it, is a jewelry subscription. The jewelry you get is yours to keep. The price is $34 a month. That does include shipping. For that price, you get 2 pieces of jewelry, typically valued at around $54. But it varies, so it can be more. So let's check this out. So you can get dainty or trendy pieces. You can also choose your metal. So you can choose a rotation of gold, rose gold, and silver, or you can choose just the rose gold, or silver. All right, so this month the collection is Beverly Hills. Love this picture. So it is the Beverly Hills Collection, and it says, introducing the Beverly Hills Collection, fun and classic jewelry pieces inspired by California vibes. These pieces are delicate and effortless, brightening up your month and transporting you to a dreamy Beverly Hills getaway. We can't wait for you to rock these pieces. All right, you always get little cards with your set that tell you about the pieces that you get as well as the value. And this collection is valued at $70. I do have a code for you if you want to give this jewelry subscription a try. If you use the code HAPPY, you'll get an extra item valued at $25 in your first collection. So not 2 pieces, but 3. All right, it does come in a fun little jewelry pouch. And my first item is a bracelet. And it has a palm tree on it. I love it, love it, love it. See if I can show this to you. How pretty is that? I love a palm tree. So it does have the little extender here. So you can pull it or release it, make it tighter or looser, but love the little stones on the palm tree there. All right, let's try this on. I obviously want to make it so that I can see the palm tree. How pretty is that? And then you can adjust it to wherever you want it. I like this as a stacking one too, so you could put multiple bracelets on with this, which would be really pretty. Lots of room here for you to adjust. Let me show you that before since I went and kind of did a double, but there's how much room I have. But like I said, I do have tiny, tiny wrists. Isn't that pretty? And you could adjust it for how loose or tight that you want it. All right, there's another piece. Earrings. Looks like classic little gold hoop, little silver hoops. These are pretty. The little rhinestones there, going all the way around. These are a nice size, not too big, not too little. And the hoop clasp goes how? Let's see. Yep, you just pull it open So it has a nice little clasp. You don't have to worry about it being flippy, which I like. That makes sense. You know, sometimes they fall down, so I like that. All right, let's put these in. I do love how this subscription varies from the delicate to the trendy. So you'll go from getting like really big statement earrings to the tiny delicate ones like this. And also from getting like posts to nice dangles. So the variety is really nice. Okay, so here's the earrings. Nice delicate little hoops. And here's a closer look at the bracelet. Loving the palm, love the palm, or the palm tree, yes, love the palm tree. All right, so let's see what it says about these. The Heather Huggies are easily wearable no matter the occasion, whether you're pairing them with other earrings or wearing them on their own. The Maggie Huggy earring are simply stunning and a classic set to add to your jewelry collection. Plated in 14-karat gold rhodium. So these are valued at $38 and from the Ashland Avenue collection. The palm tree adjustable bracelet is a playful bracelet that shines solo, but can also be stacked with your other favorite bracelets and cuffs. Placed in 14-karat gold rhodium also. So this is valued at $32, bringing the total value up to $70. And that is my set. What did you think? So pretty, right? Yeah, I love the hoops. So simple, easy, goes with everything. Of course, love the palm tree, as I said already. Great classic pieces, and I love the summer vibe. So I will put all the information down below for you in case you want to check Glamour Jewelry Box out for yourself. As I said, it is $34 a month for 2 pieces of high-end jewelry. It does go from the delicate to the trendy. And if you use my code HAPPY, then you will get an extra piece of jewelry with your first set, valued at $25. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I love sharing Glamour Jewelry Box with you. I always think they have such pretty pieces. If you want to catch how I wear them, please do check out my What I Wear videos. You'll see pieces from my prior collections as well as the pieces I just shared with you in those videos. And I post those every Sunday. All right, if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, would love you to hit that thumbs up button. Also, please do hang out with us and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me continue to bring you videos just like this one. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. And until next time, everybody, bye-bye.